Whoa. This is, well, hold on. This is Squirrel. This one in the front here, who's very jumpy. This is Squirrel, except you can only get the back. This is the mother, Stella. They're so jumpy. There you go. And this is Chipmunk, who looks just like Squirrel, except she's just slightly darker. This is Bear. And this is Beaver. Hey, Beaver, look at me. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Not so much. That's Squirrel. Whoa. Wait, who's who? Okay, Squirrel, Chipmunk. Squirrel, Chipmunk.
Can't really see when we get that close.
No. I'm just saying about the fur.
Let's see here.
Beaver and the mother, Stella.
I need the litter box here, Nora.
What now? Oh, okay. Okay. Whoa. There's a big clump of bunnies. Beaver. Chipmunk. Squirrel. That's Squirrel. Okay. Bear, whose face is blocked right now. Okay. I hope I got them all. Beaver, like I said. Hey, Stella. Beaver. Hey. No. That's not what you do, Squirrel.